guys, and welcome to Nicrit. In today's video, we are going to be doing a giveaway. So I am so excited. This is going to be a little bit of a story time real quick before I get into that and the giveaway and all the rules and everything and what we're giving away. It's already in the title, so it's spoilers. Sorry. But story time, I have been staring at these ads on Facebook for forever. They're these really cute yarn bowls. Again, spoilers. Sorry. The yarn bowls have been adorable. They're by Darn Good Yarn, which is an amazing business where it's women owned and they make sure that it is focusing on making sure that it's safe for the environment and also safe for humans. They have a whole little bio. I'm probably gonna post it right here. It's a great organization and I love it. It is so nice. And I have almost broken down and purchased it when it was on sale. So sometimes it's retails, the yarn bowls retail for $50, but they do go on sale. So I will say that right now. And the sale price, I think it was like 30 or 25 or something like that. I'm not sure, but it was all during Christmas season. So I don't know how or when that's going to happen again. But I figured on a whim, I should just send a little email to them and asking them if they wanted to team up and do anything. Like, hey, if you send me a yarn bowl or give me a discount on a yarn bowl, I'll put it in the background of my pictures. However, whatever, I figured it was a shot in the dark. It might happen. And I received an email back within 6 hours, which is unheard of. I don't usually get emails back that quickly. And they said, yes, we'll send you a yarn bowl for free. And we're going to do one for a giveaway if you'd like. And I'm like, oh, yes, I would very much like that. Let's do a giveaway. So I said yes to the giveaway. We're going to do a giveaway. And so we're going to basically be doing a giveaway where you subscribe and like this video. Share it with your friends if you want to help spread the word. I'm very excited about this. And in the comments down below, make sure you state whether or not you want the rooster or you want the kitty. There are two options. There's the rooster, which is what I chose. I think he is so stinking adorable. I actually decorate with roosters and chickens all over my house, mostly in my kitchen, but they're all over my house. I call them my warding chickens because, yeah, they keep things in check. So I'm so excited. I've been playing with it already with my blanket that I've been crocheting. I just keep my little ball right in there. He is going to become our new, mascot, just hanging out in the background of all my tutorials for probably not the next couple videos because I think those are already all pre-done. But in future videos, look at him. He is adorable. He's ceramic and completely smooth. A big issue that I've had with previous yarn bowls is here you'll end up with some kind of jagged edge and you just cannot do it. There's no point in it. You would literally have to go in with some sandpaper and finally scratch it or put nail polish on it or whatever. It's just a pain in the ass, honestly. And I love this. I have not had that problem. Nothing snagged. And they even sent me a little tiny note that they actually drew on. Like, she drew a legit rooster on there. Probably she. I know they're woman owned, but I don't know if they have male employees. So I don't want to just assume. I'm sorry. But they put such a cute little rooster on there. Enjoy your rooster bowl. And it's actually done with ink. So I'm in love with this. It's so cute. And they are a great organization. They do great work and help a lot of different things. I know that they've got an entire bio where they talk about their organization and why they do what they do and the type of yarn that they have. I know they have subscription services as well. Some of them are for sari skirts and others are for yarn. I'm really interested in the yarn ones. And honestly, the sari skirt ones look kind of cool. So we're going to be doing a giveaway and the rules are, again, subscribe, like the video, and put in the comments down below if you would like the rooster or the kitty, which I probably already popped up because future Cody puts all the things in her editing, basically. I like to be redundant. So the kitty looks like it's throwing up yarn, which I think is really funny, but I just really like the rooster. I fell in love with him. He's so handsome. So I'm excited to have him. Let me know if you guys are more team rooster or team kitty. Post it down below. Share with your friends if you really want to help out the channel. I'm so excited about this. Let me know what you guys think. And we're going to be doing some more giveaways this year. I'm hoping to probably do a couple more, because I haven't done any in 2 years and I'm terrible about it. I know, but I need to do more giveaways because there are so many of you now. There's almost 43,000 of you, which I just can't think about it too much because I'll get overwhelmed and then I just won't post because I'll get super self-conscious. So I'm just gonna go with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to say thank you to all my patrons and everybody who's been supporting the channel and hitting like and subscribe and all the sweet comments. Everybody's been so nice. And yeah, I get the random guy who's whatever, but that's YouTube. But for the most part, I've got like a lot of likes on here and a lot of people who are into what I do and actually ask a lot of great questions. So continue what you're doing and let me know what you guys think about this giveaway. Are you Team Rooster or are you Team Kitty? Let me know down in the comments and I will pick a winner hopefully in 1 week's time after posting this. I believe at 3 p.m. on the Sunday after next. I'll post the rules down there and I'll put all the timelines and everything. And then I'm going to actually randomly choose it using one of those, like, there's websites online that you can use that will go through your comments. So don't comment bomb down there because I'm literally going to just enter everybody's name that I see once and it's not gonna matter. Don't comment bomb. But I'm gonna be posting it in there and figuring out which one's which. And I'll shoot you a message. Yeah, I'm probably gonna send a comment in the comment and then have people email me from there. So let me know what you guys think. Team Rooster or Team Kitty? All right, until next time, guys. Bye.